Hey, what's up, guys? So the deal of the week this week that I'm super excited to come to you about is a VA purchase. So I called this client months ago, got on the phone, living in another state, coming out of the military, moving to San Diego, going from military to a doctor here in San Diego. Couple complicated things. He had a VA loan there, so we had to sell the house there, close on it, and then close on ours. So what we did is we submitted the file, got them fully approved. Everything's ready to go. Sold the house. We couldn't get the docs out, get the clear to close because he didn't have his certificate of eligibility because he still had the VA loan. So closed the loan. Done one day. Called the VA. Got the letter, certificate of eligibility. Got it the next day. Got the docs out. Got the clear to close. Closed on it. Moving in his house here in San Diego. Let's go. Give me a call. How can we help? Oh, by the way, shot me on the rate. Smoked everybody.